During a ceremony at the Kigali Genocide Memorial on April 7th, Rwandan President Paul Kagame and First Lady Jeanette Kagame lit a memorial torch, a flame of remembrance said to burn for 100 days as a solemn tribute to the tragedy that occurred 3 decades ago. On April 7, 1994, Rwanda plunged into darkness as nearly 1 million Rwandans, predominantly Tutsis, fell victim to brutality in 3 months. The genocide, tearing apart communities of Hutus and Tutsis who shared the same language and religion, found its roots in the colonial policies of Western powers. The seeds of division were sown through the colonial scheme of divide and rule.
They did not only exacerbate, but they created. Because when they came, Rwandans were living in total harmony. The Hutu, the Tutsi, and the Twa. But when they came, they applied the policy that is termed as divide and rule, because it is easier to rule over people who are not united. They came to colonize and they came to loot as well. If you see their countries today, whatever they have, most of it was looted from the countries where they colonized. So wherever they were going, they were taking either these art crafts, they were taking minerals, they were taking gold reserve, they were taking everything.